day after the fatal Soysambu crash that claimed 20 lives, the National Transport and Safety Authority has published a list of the most deadly roads in the country with the hope that drivers will take note while driving in these areas. Now, according to the statistics taken between January this year to the 11th of May, the most deadly road is the Nakuru-Eldoret Road, where so far 52 lives have been claimed, followed closely by the Konza-Mtito-Ande Road with 49 lives lost there. The third is the Nairobi-Naivasha Road, where 48 people have been killed. Fourth is the Mlolongo-Konza Road, where 40 people have died so far. The Nairobi-Mlolongo stretch has seen the cause of 34 deaths there. Now, the Gilgil-Nakuru stretch has seen 28 lives lost so far, same as the Nairobi-Thika Road. The Mtito-Ande-Voi stretch has seen 23 people perish, while the Mombasa-Kilifi stretch has been the location where 15 people were killed, and the Naivasha-Gilgil stretch responsible for the road carnage that claimed 14 lives. Now, according to the report, almost half of the accidents involved buses at 46%. The total accidents contributed by the public service vehicles over the same period stands at 234. Of these, 108 involved buses. Some of the most common causes of the accidents were listed were excessive speed, careless overtaking, losing control, error of judgment, brake failure, worn out tires, and swerving.